There's a Gartner report that says by 2040, over 50% of the world's electricity is going to be powered by solar and wind. So that's going to require a lot of changes to the grid. There's a lot of changes happening in the utility space. They're on this journey of digital transformation, and I think the fundamental change that they have is the bidirectional power flow, and then the integration of DERs, so distributed energy resources, such as solar and wind, are impacting the grid. So utilities are looking for a way to overcome these both technical and business challenges. All of our investment in our infrastructure, the number of regions with all of our data centers, our networking, and our IoT gives utilities a platform to tackle all of these challenges. We're focused on security. It's a core tenet of Azure, and we actually spend over $1 billion on security. There's a whole building of people just working on security. We're also working with compliance and regulators around the world. This includes at a global level, regional, country level. We also work with NERC and FERC to make sure we're addressing some of the challenges as utilities are trying to adopt cloud. Some of the biggest financial institutions and government entities, they are starting to put data in the cloud. They've realized that Microsoft has a lot of security expertise that they can just leverage. So you don't have to manage all of the data within the data centers. You don't need personnel for that data. You're actually just using that technology to make sure your day-to-day operations gets better and more efficient. So Itron's really leveraging Microsoft's cloud platform to bring all of their 80+ applications into a smaller set of applications, and they're able to leverage all of our data centers, which are located around the world, our wide area network and our platform components, but they're able to also bring in their own expertise. And we see a lot of potential for this, where utilities can leverage these technologies as part of their digital transformation. A large utility in Norway is able to leverage Microsoft's cloud platform to solve some of their challenges that they're facing in the grid with respect to integration of renewable resources. And they have two main goals. One is to minimize the cost, and number two is maximize flexibility. So they want to be able to figure out which is the optimum resource to use depending on the time of the day and the load. I think we're evolving from the point where we're just collecting data to really doing more solution-based outcomes, like proactively doing maintenance. Predictive maintenance is something is a key focus for utilities now, and management of energy usage. So giving more information to end customers, so they're able to proactively manage their own energy usage. Microsoft's mission is to empower every person on the planet to do more, and Itron's is to create a more resourceful world. And I feel like these two really align well together to make sure we're delivering the right solutions for these utilities as part of their digital transformation.